Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to find wallet address on Krystal Wallet. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. Finding a wallet address in Krystal Wallet is a simple process. So the first thing to do is to launch Open Krystal Wallet application from your device and make sure to log into your wallet as well. From the first interface of Krystal Wallet application, go ahead and tap on the Receive button at the top of the screen. This will display your wallet address along with the QR code. You can use the QR code for easy scanning. Also, you can copy the address by tapping on the Copy Link button and then share the link with anyone you would want to receive the particular crypto from. Remember that each wallet has a different and its own unique address. Your wallet address is similar to your bank account number and is used to receive cryptocurrencies. Sharing your wallet address is safe, but never share your seed phrase or private key with anyone since it grants access to your funds. So that was how you can easily find your wallet address for a particular crypto on Krystal Wallet. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you never miss another update from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.